Turn your social media scrolling into cash flow. Learn the secret Gumroad strategy to effortlessly make money online. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stay tuned till the end for insightful strategies on Gumroad affiliate marketing that go beyond the usual tips, offering you unexpected and advanced tactics for success. This video is a must-watch for elevating your affiliate journey. Gumroad stands out as a versatile platform, enabling creators to sell products directly to their audience. Its affiliate marketing program offers a fantastic opportunity to earn commissions by promoting others' creations. Affiliate marketing is essentially about steering traffic towards a product and earning a commission on sales. While the concept is straightforward, mastering effective strategies can be a bit of a challenge. Gumroad simplifies affiliate marketing with its intuitive interface and tools. This makes it an accessible platform for anyone aspiring to become an affiliate marketer. To get started, you'll need to create a Gumroad account. Simply visit their website, click on Start Selling, provide the necessary information, and you're set up. Once your account is active, take time to get familiar with the Gumroad workspace. Understanding the dashboard, library, and customer sections is crucial for effectively managing your affiliate activities. On Gumroad, you need approval from the product creator to become an affiliate. Building a positive relationship with creators is key. Show your professionalism and genuine interest in their products. When you're ready to promote a product, ask the creator to add you as an affiliate. They might inquire about your promotional strategies, so be prepared to explain your approach clearly and convincingly. After receiving the creator's approval, you'll get your unique affiliate link. This link is vital. It tracks every sale made through your promotional efforts. Effective promotion is the essence of successful affiliate marketing. You'll need to explore and implement various strategies, like social media and email marketing, to attract potential buyers to your affiliate link. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for sharing your affiliate link. Each platform has its unique audience and requires a tailored approach for maximum impact. Email marketing can significantly supplement your social media efforts. Build an email list, offer valuable content, and incorporate your affiliate link to guide subscribers toward making a purchase. Blogging about topics related to your affiliate products can attract an interested audience. Embed your affiliate link in your blog post to subtly direct readers towards making a purchase. YouTube offers another powerful channel for promoting affiliate links. Create engaging content related to the product and include your affiliate link in the video description for viewers to access. SEO plays a crucial role in driving organic traffic to your content, which can lead to more clicks on your affiliate link. Optimize your content with relevant keywords to increase its visibility. Maintain transparency with your audience about being an affiliate. Disclosing this information builds trust and meets legal obligations. Consistency and regular performance analysis are vital in affiliate marketing. Continuously refine your strategies based on what's working and stay committed to your promotional efforts. The world of affiliate marketing is ever evolving. Keep yourself updated with the latest trends and strategies to stay ahead in the game. Is our content resonating with you? Echo back by subscribing, giving a like, and ringing the bell for more resonant content. Ready to resonate with the next part? Let's dive back in together. Setting up a successful affiliate marketing venture on Gumroad involves several steps: account creation, partnering with creators, strategic promotion, and ongoing learning and adaptation. Remember, affiliate marketing requires patience and perseverance. It's a gradual process, but with consistent effort and smart strategies, you can achieve significant success. Understanding your audience is crucial in affiliate marketing. Tailor your promotions to meet their interests and preferences for more effective conversions. Experiment with various promotional techniques. What works for one audience or product might not work for another, so it's important to test different approaches. Customer engagement is key. Interact with your audience, respond to their queries, and build a relationship that goes beyond just selling products. Utilize Gumroad's analytics tools to track the effectiveness of your promotions. This data can help you make informed decisions about your affiliate marketing strategies. Networking with other affiliates can provide valuable insights and tips. Engage in online forums or social media groups related to affiliate marketing to learn from others' experiences. Invest in your skills. Whether it's improving your marketing techniques or learning new digital tools, continuous self-improvement will enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. Diversify your affiliate portfolio. Promoting a range of products on Gumroad can increase your earning potential and help you reach a broader audience. Stay adaptable. The digital market is dynamic, so being flexible and ready to embrace changes is crucial for staying relevant and successful. Offer honest reviews of the products you're promoting. Authenticity in your promotions can lead to higher trust and better conversion rates. Understand the terms and conditions of the Gumroad affiliate program. Knowing the rules and guidelines can help you navigate the platform more effectively and avoid any potential issues. Keep your promotional content fresh and engaging. Regular updates and new content can keep your audience interested and more likely to click on your affiliate links. Collaborating with other creators on Gumroad can open up new opportunities. Consider joint promotions or cross-promotion to expand your reach. Always prioritize your audience's needs. Your success as an affiliate marketer on Gumroad depends on how well you can cater to and satisfy your audience. In summary, becoming an affiliate on Gumroad offers a viable opportunity to earn money through creative and strategic marketing. With dedication and the right approach, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business on this dynamic platform. Begin your quest for digital dominance today. It all starts with a free ebook, a goldmine of the most advanced online business strategies of the moment. But the true test of your entrepreneurial mettle lies just ahead. Embark on an exclusive 15-day challenge, thoughtfully designed to apply and amplify these strategies, all under the mentorship of leading digital experts. This is where you'll leverage cutting-edge tactics and an extensive toolkit, setting the stage for your triumph in the online business world. Are you prepared to elevate your game? Step forward with ambition. Click the link in the description and take the first decisive step towards your digital destiny. Turning off the arcade lights on today's e-earning game session. Played through the method, high scores, or needing a restart? Drop your game review in the comments. Did today's financial gameplay level up your skills? Smash that like button as your power-up. Ready for more gaming strategies for earnings? Subscribe and hit the bell, making sure you're always in the game for high scores. Before you exit the arcade, notice that video game teaser? It's a preview to another epic quest in earning online. Press play, and let's keep conquering the digital game world together. Until our next gaming challenge,